What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another video. You see the thumbnail, you see the title. We're going to do an install today, so get ready with me to go do an install for a school event. Shout out to Temu for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with Temu, they're an online marketplace that you can literally purchase anything from kitchenware to home decor to jewelry to skincare products, makeup, clothes, whatever you can think of, you can order off of Temu for a reasonable price. Like, are you seeing these prices? I'm going to put a screen recording of their website right here so you can see some of these prices. So they allow me to choose a bunch of products off of their site, and I definitely went in. I got some balloon decor products, and I got some products for myself, like clothes or like skincare products. First, starting with these wrist wash towels. They allow me to wash my skin without the water dripping all the way down to my elbows. And I also got some disposable facial cloths or towels that I like to incorporate into my skincare, just so I don't have to use like a washcloth or body towel to dry my face after I cleanse it. And so far so good. I'm definitely going to stock up on these because they were the best price that I've seen, and I've been buying them for a while, and they're always so expensive, but thank God I found some on Temu that is way cheaper, so I'm definitely going to be purchasing more of these. Guys, I don't know what's been going on with California, but it has been on the freezing side. And I got these shirts with the intent to wear them to the gym, which I still am. But when I woke up this morning, it was freezing cold, and I decided to just wear them as an undershirt under my work shirt. I got them in two colors. I got them in black, and I got one in white, and it came in very handy. It was like an extra undergarment to keep me warm while I load up and unload the car before the install. Make sure to stay tuned for the rest of this video so you can see how I incorporate some of the products that I got from Temu into today's install. I got some 260 balloons, and you guys know I always talk about saving money on 260 balloons when you're using it as an attachment or using it to attach to your jumbo balloons. Definitely save money on your 260s. I also like to pour out my high shine in these type of bottles just because they coat the balloon way better and they spray like wider and a little slower. So I would definitely recommend pouring your high shine in these type of bottles. I was supposed to do this install outdoors, but then they changed it to indoors because of the wind, so I didn't really get a chance to use the high shine, but I really wanted to show you guys how it's sprayed out of this bottle. The link to all of the products that I use in this video will be in the description box down below, and you guys can use my promo code to get some money off of your purchase. 30 to 40% off of anything that you purchase off of the Temu website. All of the links and product details will also be in my description box down below. Also check the pinned comment to make sure that you're not missing out on any deals. Okay, you guys, so this is not a step-by-step tutorial, but I do want to give you guys some details in case you have questions. If I don't answer all of the questions in this video, you can literally leave me a comment and I will definitely give you an answer. But I got a call for this event. It's for a school district here in California. I got a call 2 days prior to the event. I didn't have all the balloons, so I had to drive all the way to LA to get all of the balloons. The colors that I'm using, it's Qualitex regular green, Qualitex yellow, and also Tuftex navy blue, or they just call it navy. And I'm just using those three colors for the columns and also the big arch. What I do, they wanted the blue to be the main color, so when I'm inflating, I inflated like blue and yellow together and blue and green. And when I'm putting the spiral together, then I always make sure that two balloons and the position of the balloons is the same in both of my hands all the time. So in my right hand, I will have, I think I'm just going to go off of my head. So in my right hand, I will have the green and blue, but the green is on top and blue is on the bottom. And then in my left hand, I'll have yellow and blue, but like the yellow will be on the top and blue will be on the bottom. So I always make sure that the balloons are in the same position before I start attaching it to the pole. This makes it very easy for me and also makes it easier when I have to like teach someone else. Like I taught my girlfriend how to do it in this video on the columns, and she basically did the whole arch by herself. So that is just my little tip in case you want to find an easier way to create spiral designs on your arches or your columns.